Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Princess Mulan from Disney in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay, for the hairstyles, you can choose all of these hairstyles. And for this one, you're going to choose the only bangs. And then you're going to select this hairstyle and choose the no bangs. Okay, and you can color it with the black color. Okay, now I'm going to go to the changing room or the dressing room here. And I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose this top and I'm going to remove the bow, the gem, the details, lace, and also the undershirt. Just remove them all and I'm going to color it with this green color for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm going to make it this red color, and then I'm just going to make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to select the sleeves from the withered rose set, and again I'm going to color it with this green color for all the selection, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, it's done, and I'm going to choose this one as well and make it this color, the same green color, and again you're going to make it glitter. Okay, so guys, sometimes my glitter is not working, but if the glitter can appear, it will be so beautiful. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the cards item and I'm going to choose this crown and I'm going to change to toggle 2. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the world culture clothing area. I'm going to choose this card guys, and I'm going to color it with the yellow color. Okay, that's yellow for the first selection and also for the next selection, and then don't forget to change the material to glitter. Okay, the next one I'm going to go to the VIP room because we need items from there, guys. And in the VIP room you can choose this skirt, and then I'm going to color it with the blue color for the first selection, and we're going to make it yellow for the second selection. Just make it yellow like this, and you're going to change the material to glitter. Just make them all glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to select the sword. Okay, guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Princess Mulan from Disney and Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!